Hi, I'm David Oleski, and I'm a partner attorney here at Miller Weisbrod Oleski, our national birth injury law firm located in Dallas, Texas. We help children and their families with the long-term consequences of preventable injuries at birth. What does a birth injury look like, and what can it mean for your family? If it's determined that your child suffered a birth injury, it means they experienced some degree of physical harm, usually to the brain, either during labor, delivery, or shortly after delivery. The most serious and devastating birth injuries are the ones we can't see from the outside. I'm of course talking about birth injuries to the baby's brain or other internal organs. These injuries are oftentimes the starting point for a lifetime of disability, developmental delays, and pain. And the unfortunate truth is these types of injuries happen all too often when people in the labor room simply aren't paying enough attention to signs of trouble. Even the most dedicated and senior doctors, midwives, and nurses can cause harm through inattention and errors. For example, during the mother's pregnancy, they may forget to test for complications and miss serious issues. Issues like placental complications, pregnancy-induced hypertension, diabetes, or a problem with the umbilical cord. Errors and inattention during labor can be even more dangerous. If you know what to look for, these kinds of errors often leave a trail of evidence after the baby is born. There are often signs after a baby is born that they suffered a birth injury. They may come out not crying or breathing. Their skin or lips might have a bluish tint to them, or they can appear overly stiff or floppy with dilated pupils or poor reflexes. Some babies after a birth injury even develop seizures. For parents, it's not always easy to spot the signs of medical malpractice that cause their baby's problems, and that's where we come in. Our nationally recognized law firm has both the experience and the resources available to prove when a doctor's, midwives, or nurse's actions or inactions caused a permanent brain injury. We've gone up against the biggest names in the healthcare industry all over the United States and won. If you are searching for answers as to the cause of your child's disability, developmental delays, or other problems, consider reaching out to us. We never charge for case evaluations and will thoroughly study your child's birth records with our nursing, medical, and legal team. You can give us a call at our offices in Dallas at 888-987-0005 and speak to one of our 9 in-house nurses